Welcome back to Science Explained. Today, we're diving into a stormy mystery. Why do we see lightning before we hear thunder? Let's break it down. First things first, lightning and thunder are like a dynamic duo. They're both born during a lightning strike, but they're not the same thing. Lightning is the flash of light you see, and thunder is the sound it makes. When lightning strikes, it superheats the air around it almost instantly. This rapid heating causes the air to expand really quickly, creating a shock wave that we hear as thunder. But here's the twist. Even though they're born at the same time, we don't see the lightning until after we hear the thunder. Why does sound take so long to reach our ears? It's all about speed. The light from the lightning bolt zips to our eyes at the speed of light, which is about 300,000 kilometers per second. That's like almost 8 times round the world in a second. But the sound of thunder travels much slower. It's only 343 meters per second. That's about as fast as Usain Bolt, the world's fastest man. So, because light is so much faster than sound, we see the lightning flash before we hear the thunder clap. Let's say there's a lightning strike 5 kilometers away. The light from the strike would reach us in less than a second, but the sound would take over 14 seconds to get to us. That is a lot of time for our eyes to see the flash and our brains to get the message. Hey, look, there's lightning. And then it takes our ears another 14 seconds to catch up and say, yeah, and there's thunder, too. So, if you ever see a lightning flash and then count the seconds until you hear the thunder, divide that number by 3 and you have a rough idea of how many kilometers away the storm is. If you hear the thunder 15 seconds after seeing the lightning, the storm is roughly 5 kilometers away. And here's a fun fact. Sound can bounce off things like buildings, trees, and even clouds. That's why sometimes you can hear thunder rumble long after the lightning has stopped. The bouncing sound waves can echo and make the thunder last for quite a while. Now let's put your knowledge to the test. Can you explain the delay between seeing lightning and hearing thunder to a friend or family member? You can use the science you learned today to help you explain why we see lightning before we hear thunder. Share your explanation and share this video with others who want to learn about the science of storms. And if you're still hungry for more science, check out the rest of the videos in the series. There's something for everyone. Click on the video that's on your screen now. Science is amazing and it's all around you, even in the sky. Light and sound may seem like simple everyday things, but they're actually doing a lot of amazing stuff even when we don't notice it. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Science Explained for more everyday science mysteries. And be sure to tune in next time when we take on another viewer-suggested topic. We'll see you then.